Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to teach you what is reading meter item dito sa system natin. But before I show you how it works, I am going to explain first. Ano nga ba yung reading meter? Just to be exact, the reading meter features ng system namin, it's only applicable po for gasoline station. This is actually a process kung saan hindi naman connected yung system natin doon sa pump monitoring ng gasoline station po or ng ating pump. And this will help you identify magkano yung benta, magkano yung startup natin, magkano yung end natin, and what is the difference ng the dispense natin. So how do we do it here in the system? So just tap the three-line icon here, ganyan lang, and then you can just tap reading metered item. So here, parang the same lang siya dito sa ilalim. You have the tally, delete, edit, create, and list. If you have existing list, you may filter the dates for that. If you want to create new, tap nyo lang yung create. You can search the code of the item or tap this parang search icon and then search your random item po. So let me just select test in my end. Ayan. So reading from, location is the store, and then you can just input your ending. So etong start, supposedly, automatic po siya. Since nagdadagdag tayo ng inventory kung ilang liters yung nasa loob ng ano natin, we using the dipstick, of course, nilalagay natin yon from the beginning. Ito yung yung start, so you cannot edit that one. Kasi ang nagagawa lang ng reading meter natin, it's for ending. And you can base this one doon sa totaler ng ating dispenser po. So, di ba, may totaler yon. So, say for example, sa akin, wala lang akong start, nilalagay ko lang yung 500. And then, I just write the name ng nag-reading. So, my name is Rose. And then, tap ko lang yung okay. Ayan. So, automatically, meron na tayong reading here. My start, my end, the reading quantity, and the difference quantity. So, of course, magdi-negative 500 talaga yan later on because wala tayong beginning or start inventory for this. And if I want to tally that one, tap mo lang yung tally, automatically po, nakapula talaga yung diff natin dito because of that. So for this, dito mo dadaan yung edit if you want to edit one last time. Probably if you don't want it anymore, you can delete it. Depends on you po. That's the purpose of the reading meter item dito sa ating MOT application po.